How to buy impact token. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just go here and copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the PayPath wallet. Click here on wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added that's called impact. Now click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here from the top. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So in a while you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now just click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy impact token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.